Do you own a car or a fleet of cars? Do you worry and stress over car repairs and maintenance of your vehicles? Say goodbye to the hassles that come with fixing or servicing your automobile and experience easy access to professional and reliable auto repair. Carmedis Auto Repair is an easy-to-use platform that connects you to our nearest auto shop in real time to give you quality service and deliver peace of mind. With these 6 simple steps, you can get started and enjoy a stress-free car repair and maintenance service today. Step 1. Download the Carmedis Auto Repair app from Google Play Store or iOS Store. Next, create an account by filling in your details, and an OTP will be sent to your email for verification. After verification with the OTP code, proceed to update your data by filling in your address. Add vehicle details by clicking Add a vehicle, or do so automatically by using your 17-digit vehicle identification number (VIN). Next, you will need to set up your Carmedis wallet, as all payments for services are made on the app. To set up and fund your wallet, click on the profile tab below the screen and select Wallet. Then, click on Fund Wallet. To enter the amount you want to credit to your wallet, create a 4-digit PIN of your choice and verify to secure your account. Next, choose your preferred payment method and input your payment details. In a few seconds, your Carmedis wallet will be credited and you are all set. Step 3. How do you make a request when your car needs maintenance or repair? It's pretty easy. On your homepage, simply tap on Make a Request. Fill in your location, select your vehicle from the drop-down menu, describe the vehicle's issue, and send out the request. It will take less than 4 minutes to get connected to our nearest auto shop. Once your request is accepted, you will be assigned a dedicated service manager. Your service manager will communicate via the in-app chat or phone call and schedule a convenient time for a thorough inspection of your vehicle. After making payments for the inspection fee, we'll work around your schedule to make it happen. Step 4. After the inspection of your vehicle, you will receive a detailed inspection report and an invoice for possible repair and parts procurement via the app. To view the invoice received, click on Invoice tab below your screen. Our pricing is transparent with an option to review the invoice. Next, proceed to accept the invoice and make payments via the wallet or online channels. Making payments is a breeze with a pre-funded Carmedis wallet or the secured online channel. Choose your preferred payment method, input your details, and rest assured your transactions are secure. Step 5. After payment, your invoice status updates automatically to Paid. Proceed to your Case tab at the bottom part of your screen and click on the case to view your case estimate and the duration of vehicle repair or services. Your case estimate includes information about your car diagnosis and estimates date of completion. All this happens in real time. Next, track the progress of your vehicle repair with real-time updates from your service manager on your Notifications tab. When your vehicle is ready, you receive a notification on the app stating that your vehicle is ready for pickup. It is time to head to the workshop, inspect your vehicle, and when you're satisfied, rate the work standard and give feedback via the app. We take your feedback seriously, and we always appreciate it when you leave a review about our services. Your comfort matters to us, and we are committed to delivering nothing short of excellent service to you. Step 6. If you need support, click on your profile tab, and at the left corner of the screen, select Support and prefill your questions. Carmedis Auto Repair is also designed to help you manage your fleet of vehicles effortlessly and keep track of maintenance, servicing, and repairs all in one place. Download the app today to enjoy stress-free car maintenance and repair service.